What time did you wake up this morning?
Hi, Molly. I woke up at 7, but I was so sleepy. And you?
I woke up at 7:30. I love sleeping.
Haha. In the morning, I get up, wash my face, and get dressed. Then I have breakfast.
And what do you usually eat?
A bowl of milk with cereal or a slice of bread with jam. And you?
I love biscuits with milk. Then I brush my teeth and get my backpack ready for school.
Me too. Then my mom drives me to school.
I walk to school with my dad. I like walking in the morning.
At school we attend lessons, but my favorite part is break time.
Mine too. We always play in the school park with friends.
After school I go home and have lunch with my family. What do you do?
I have lunch at my grandma's and then I do my homework. I try to finish it early so I have time for my activities.
Me too. Today, for example, after finishing my homework I go to tennis class. I like playing so much.
That sounds great. I have volleyball practice in the afternoon. I have a lot of fun with my team.
Wow. And after practice, what do you do?
When I get home, I take my dog out. He loves running in the park.
How nice. I don't have a dog, but sometimes I help my brother with his homework. Then I play some PlayStation or go out cycling.
I like to draw or read a book before dinner.
And then in the evening,
I have dinner with my family. Then we watch a cartoon and I get ready for bed.
Sometimes I play a little more. Then I brush my teeth and go to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually at 9, but on weekends a bit later.
Me too, but I wake up even later, except when I have volleyball matches on Sunday mornings that I have to wake up very early.
Yes, I have to get up very early when I have tennis matches. But when I finish, we always go to a restaurant for lunch.
Me and my family also often eat at restaurants on Sundays.
I should go now. I have to finish my homework.
Bye, Ollie. See you soon.